tasty cheese sticks at home. Take 4 potatoes, mozzarella cheese, cheese cubes and cornstarch. Peel the potatoes as shown. Cut the potatoes into half and cut each half into 4 pieces. Now grate 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now grate 2 cheese cubes. Switch on the stove and place the cooker. To the cooker add 1 cup of water. Add the chopped potatoes into the water. Add a little bit of salt. Close the lid of the cooker and let it whistle for 1 time. Add the boiled potatoes to a separate bowl. To the mashed potatoes add half a cup of cornstarch. Add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Add the 2 cheese cubes which were grated. Mix them properly. Add salt to taste. Add them to the Ziplock bags. Now with a rolling pin, roll them. Place them in the freezer for 30 to 35 minutes. Once they are out, cut the Ziplock cover. Cut them into thinly pieces as shown on the screen. Place the pan on the stove and add oil. Add the sticks to the oil and fry them until golden brown. and just like that, voila, they are finished. Add them to a plate and they are ready to serve. These are very tasty and please try them at home. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.